Naturally, ma'am, thank you. You can mute yourself.
Vardha, if I can just interrupt for a second. Pankaj ji, if I request you to switch on the question answer feature so that if anyone has any questions, please feel free to go and put up the questions in the question answer space. And the others, if you have the same question, you can use the like or the upvote feature to you, so that at the end, the question that has the most number of votes, we will take up those questions and we'll try and answer those questions. So please use the Q&A feature. Yes, over to you.
Done, sir.
Thank you, sir. So just like in every CC Friday, usually you are aware that what exactly is the topic of discussion, what you are going to learn. In this CC Friday, teachers, you are going to explore something which is undefined. Basically, you are going to define that, what exactly we are going to learn in this CC Friday. So since this will be a teacher-led classroom, you have to do some brainstorming in order to identify the topic of today's CC Friday. And in order to do that, I'm going to share a link. Please check the chat box. Yeah, you can click on that link. You will see some set of images comprised of some paintings, drawings, anime, and whatever that comes to your brain, the very first word, without any hesitation, just type it out. Okay, it's a pillar, design, bone, cheese, carrot, cuboid, leaf. The competition is between cucumber, dice, design, cheese. Teachers, one more thing. To make it more complicated, I'm just going to give you 30 seconds to guess. Okay, so the majority thinks this is a dice and a cucumber. That might be a bread, 2 dice. All right. So now giving the second slide. Yes, those who identified it as dice gave the correct answer. What do you think this drawing signifies? A dice, a maze, kind of a game. Eye. Bulls. Illusion. Logo. Well, the maze is getting bigger. That means most of you are thinking that it's a maze. All right, so I'm going to shuffle to the next slide. Those who think it's a maze, it's a kind of a maze, but those who have responded it as Chakravyuh are actually giving the right response. Now moving to the next. How would you define this picture? Look at this carefully. Okay, we are getting pattern, rangoli, mandal art, flake, myth, illusion. So the art is basically in the center. Yes, definitely it's an art. Okay, some thinks it's a design also. Still, I'll say I'm not getting the right answer. Okay, so I'll move forward without giving the right answer for this one. Can you guess the name of this character? Any movie, series, cartoon,
Was the
story?
previous one Festoons?
No, ma'am. All right. So we are getting Bhishma, Ganga, Putra, Drone, Soldier, Bhishma Pitama. Okay, teachers. Bhishma Pitama is the correct answer for this slide. Now, once again, I'll show you the previous slide. Based on what you have seen, the Sudarshan, I actually said it. So this one is actually a mandal art, but it's a Sudarshan Chakra, which is basically shown in the form of a mandal art. That's the right answer for this one. So now moving to the next slide. This one is a Madhubani painting, but you need to tell me the event which this painting symbolizes. Once again, I'm repeating, name of the event is required. Not the characters, name of the event.
This all we have seen in Gandhi's faces education.
Ma'am, Cheer Haran.
Yes, ma'am. You're correct.
Ma'am, Vastraharan.
Draupadi Vastraharanam.
Draupadi, no ma'am, Draupadi Haran.
All right. Now moving to the next slide. Yes, Chirharan, Vastraharan, Draupadi Vastraharan is the correct answer. Now this one might be easy for many, but may be difficult for some. The last one, guess the characters shown in the image. You have to identify both the characters, teacher.
Sanjay and Dhritarashtra.
Sanjay, of course, and Dhritarashtra.
Sanjay.
Sanjay Uvaj.
Arjun and Dhritarashtra.
No, Sanjay and Dhritarashtra.
Sanjay used to tell the story of
Sanjay and Dhritarashtra.
Sanjay and Dhritarashtra.
Yes, Sanjay and Dhritarashtra, as the teachers also think, is the correct answer for this one. And from here, we'll proceed further. According to you, what is the topic for discussion today? Please post it.
Mahabharata.
critical thinking.
Mahabharata, mythology, critical thinking, Gita, context, solving what? New day, learning, education. Mahabharata is getting bigger. And mythology is also there in the competition. Okay, now the thinking is getting bigger. Critical thinking is getting bigger actually. History, linked, deciphering, challenges. But still the Mahabharata is the bigger. Mythology is also getting bigger now. Okay, so it's time to finally close this. Yes, teachers, now you can leave your screen and come back to the meet. So Shivangi ma'am, what do you think? Our teachers have finally understood the topic of discussion. They have finally traced what exactly they are going to learn. Since we have Mahabharata mythology.
They have not. They have identified the various inputs of what we are going to discuss today, but actually they have not nailed it. They have not hit the bull. What we actually are going to discuss today. Good evening, each and everybody present in the meet here. I, Shivangi, on the behalf of Humanities and Social Sciences, welcome you all here. And the topic that we're gonna take today is leadership. And all the links, all the hints that you have taken today, that you have seen today, is based on the leadership. India is a land where religion and philosophy have attained its culminating point. And when we talk about leadership, our country has given n number of leaders who has been inspiration from the past, present, and in future. We are going to be the one who are going to give leaders to the world. We have different leadership styles. I would request Vardha ma'am to kindly present the slide. We have different kind of leaders all around us. Since world has become a globe, we can see n number of leaders with their style of leadership. Today we'll try to identify the traits of different leadership style. We have visionary kind of a leader, we have situational leaders, we have bureaucratic leaders, we have autocratic leaders, we have laissez-faire leader, we have strategic leaders. But how do they behave? What are their traits? How to identify that who is what kind of a leader? Taking the first leadership is the strategic leadership. These kind of a people, they are said to be street smart. These kind of a people, they have a good connect. Whenever they speak, they always think 1,000 times before speaking and taking any action. They can connect past, present, and future while taking any decision. They have a strong vision and they have always a purpose behind all their actions. If they are towards you, if they are with you, definitely you are going to mark your presence wherever you are going. Next kind of a leader whom I'm going to talk about is an autocratic leader. What are the traits of an autocratic leader? How to identify an autocratic leader? Well, this kind of a leader, they do not listen to others. They have a team of eminent people giving them suggestions, but they won't follow. They will take the decision, they will impose it onto others, and others will be bound to obey their orders. These people, they can't control their impulses. They are very impulsive. And if you will meet them, the kind of persona they carry, you will never find their first impression to be a very positive one. These people, the kind of actions they take, they instigate people, they leave a very, very wrong impression, and they lack morality very often. The next kind of a leader who are very common, and they are the example setters of our society. They are the bureaucratic leaders. This kind of a leader are we can call them well established, systematic, too much into the system, going by the orders. These people are strong-willed. They are very, very strong-minded. Once they take any decision, they have to abide by the decision. People do not like to mess with them a lot because they are the master of their skills. Next type of leadership, which I'm going to talk about, is a situational leaders. This kind of a leaders are not born. They are not given any designation. These kind of a leader, they make their own places. These are the people who are able to identify their own potentials, their positives, their negatives, and they are the one who stock responsibility onto their shoulder when it comes to take the risk. These people, they will delegate their duties, they will assign duties for them, and they are the risk takers. They do not hesitate while taking a risk because they know what they are doing and what it is going to produce. Next is a visionary leader. When we talk about such visionary leaders, they do not mind doing anything big or small. This kind of a leader, they are compassionate, they are charmers, they have a strong insight, they have a deep connect, they can easily communicate with people, they have a strong communication, and they can transform a rock into diamond. These people, they are such kind of a leader who are milestone, and they set an example to the world. So let's know more about leadership in this workshop. I now hand over to Roli ma'am to kindly proceed further. Roli ma'am, please take on.
Shivangi ma'am, sorry to interrupt, but the laissez-faire is left.
I'm so sorry. Laissez-faire kind of leaders are like, jo jaisa ho raha hai challe do. These kind of people, they are blessed with kind of people around them who are very, very traitful, who are skilled, whom you can depend upon. And this kind of leaders, they are seen to be far-sighted. They have a deep retention sense. And this kind of leaders, whenever they make any decision. Yes, sir? Whenever they take any decision, it seems like the one who is delegated with the duty is acting as a chief executive, and they are merely sitting and watching what they are doing. So these are all about the different leadership skills that I explained. Now I hand over to Roli ma'am to proceed further. Thank you, Vardhana.
Thank you, Shivangi. Good evening, one and all present over here. Now, we are into the what if segment. Here, we will be all going into the breakout rooms. Each group will be given a set of questions that are related to a particular character or a leader. Then before we go into the breakout rooms, let's go through the instructions as to what is expected from each group. Some general instructions are as follows. Each group will prepare one slide. It will contain the identification of the leadership style of the leader mentioned, followed by a solution of the given questions. Total time allotted to each group in the breakout room will be 10 minutes and 1 minute maximum time for presentation. Now let's go through the questions that are there for each group. The first group that we have is the Greenhorn group. For the Greenhorn group, the question is, if you were in place of Yudhishthir and had to take a decision in breaching the Chakravyuh formation, would you have consented to Abhimanyu taking the army on that day, knowing fully well that he had half knowledge about it? What kind of a leadership style is Abhimanyu an example of? What are the characteristics of such a leader? The second group is the Schema group. The Schema group, the question is, leaders according to Maxwell are influencers. Would you agree that Shakuni had leadership qualities? What kind of leadership did he demonstrate? Do you think such leaders succeed in the long run? This was the question for the second group, that is the Schema group. Now comes the Raconteur group. For this, the questions will be, Krishna, in spite of his wisdom, charisma and vision, chose to be the charioteer. What kind of leadership style does he represent? Had Duryodhan chosen him in place of his Narayani Sena, how do you think the war would have turned out? This was the question for the next group. Now we have the myopic group. For the myopic group, the question is, Dhritarashtra, in spite of being the leader of Hastinapur, was not able to influence his family or the citizens. What kind of a leadership style did he have? Share examples of similar leaders of the modern world. Then we have the invincible group. For the invincible group, the question is, Bhishma is a representative of a particular style of leadership. Identify his style and mention the characteristics of such a style and one disadvantage of this style. How do you think Amba proved to be his nemesis? And for the last group, that is the instigator group, the question is, if the Pandavas had agreed to the law of primogeniture and decided to accept Duryodhan as the heir apparent, do you think he would have provided good leadership? Why or why not? What kind of a leader would he have proved to be? So now, Pankaj sir, I would request you to send all the teachers into the groups. And teachers, don't worry. If you don't remember the questions, we'll be there to paste the questions in your chat boxes.
Pankaj sir, are you creating the breakout rooms?
We have.
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing.
Thank you, sir.
Roli ma'am, which group is which name? How do they know?
Sir, the breakout rooms have been named accordingly.
Okay. Okay.
Vardha,
Yes, sir.
it would be good to mention that we have 3 groups of one particular characteristic. So you might see
So the breakout rooms have been named like this only, like Invincible 1, Invincible 2, Invincible 3, this way. So we'll go to breakout rooms and explain the teachers.
Pankaj, everyone is not getting a pop-up to join the
Yes,
breakout.
sir. There are some people which are still in main call, whereas I have assigned them
Okay.
breakout rooms.
Yes, so even I haven't gotten a pop-up.
Teachers, if you want, you can take a screenshot for the type of leadership styles, those who are demanding to see it once again.
Pankaj, a lot of us are not getting those pop-ups of joining the room. Even Pratik Pandya messages and Shonali Sinha also messages the same thing.
Yes, sir. I am looking that I can assign them a group right now.
Even Nalini is saying the same thing. Alka Mishra. Vidhi, Vikas, Sonal. Okay. Pankaj, is it getting sorted?
No, sir. Actually, there are peoples they are in main call only, so that's why they are not getting assigned a group.
Padaman, please read the question for the myopic. Somebody is asking about it.
Pankaj, sir, can you provide us the link to go to breakout rooms?
No, ma'am. There is no such link for the breakout room. Actually, I'm just adding them manually one by one into the groups.
Okay, sir.
Ma'am, can you please give question for myopic one?
So just a second.
Okay.
I'm just reading out the question. to you,
Excuse
sir.
me. Should I put it in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
For myopic, the question is, Dhritarashtra, in spite of being the leader of Hastinapur, was not able to influence his family or citizens. What kind of a leadership style did he have? Share an example of similar leaders in the modern world.
Thank you, ma'am.
Roli ma'am, we also require a question. We are Rakantier too.
Just a minute.
Some question for?
Okay, okay.
You can
I'm
share,
just
Krishna.
Ma'am, I'm pasting it in the chat box.
Ma'am, please tell the name of the character for which you require the question.
That is for Krishna.
For Krishna.
I've given in the chat box.
Vardha ma'am, can you please tell us, can you please show us the slide for the third group, that is Greenhorn?
Greenhorn.
A question for all the groups belonging to Greenhorn is the same, ma'am.
Vardha ma'am, I want it for instigator too. I think it's Shakuni.
All right, tell us.
Instigator is Duryodhan.
Sunil ma'am, you can take a screenshot.
Yes.
The Greenhorn. Roli ma'am, meanwhile, can you please the set of the questions?
Yes,
chat
ma'am.
box?
I have
Or all
pasted it in the chat box also.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
The
instigator,
invincible.
please.
Yeah,
Please show
instigator.
that one slide.
Duryodhan. The slide for instigator.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you so much. I have taken a screenshot. Thank you so much.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Anju, ma'am, you were asking something, I guess. Anyone else wants to see any other slides?
Yes, raconteur.
Yep.
Let me take the screenshot.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Vada ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I want myopic group question because.
Vardha, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is for myopic. Yes, Neelu, ma'am.
एक नेट इशू हो रहा था मुझे को और पेरेंट का फोन भी आ रहा था तो प्लीज क्या सुनना तो मैं समझ नहीं पाई सुन नहीं पाई
मैम आर यू इन एनी ऑफ द पेपर रूम
Vardha, can we get the slide?
Slide for
question. Second one, I think. Just show it.
Ma'am, what's the name of your breakout room? Just tell me the name. I'll show you the slide.
Drone 2. Some 2 was there.
It's written breakout room number 2.
Greenhorn 2 was there, ma'am. Greenhorn 2.
Greenhorn 2. Yes, this is the one.
It is for Abhimanyu.
Okay, thank you. I'll take the picture. Take it.
Neelu ma'am, you were asking something? Neelu ma'am, you were asking something?
Ma'am, this is Gunjan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show me that question again? For I am from group 1 raconteur.
All right. Yeah, ma'am. Let's raconteur. Krishna.
Yeah. Just give me a second. I will take a screenshot.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Krishna.
There are some. They are again asking about the slide where we had all the kinds of leadership. Vardha, please show them.
All right. All right.
Yeah. Those who have not seen the slide, please take the screenshot.
वर्धा मैम मैं
नीलू मैम यस नीलू मैम
मैं नहीं जा पा रही हूँ ग्रुप में किस ग्रुप में था ये मैं नहीं देख पाई क्योंकि पेरेंट का फोन आ गया था उसी समय
क्योंकि मैम पंकज को अलॉट कर रहे हैं ब्रेकआउट रूम सून ही विल बी अलॉटिंग वन ब्रेकआउट रूम टू यू आल्सो यस मैम
Vardha ma'am, show the slides one by one, having the questions so that those they are not able to get the question, they are once again in a position to see all the questions, and they are able to remember the name of the group.
Teachers, basically you have to prepare one slide. You are getting the next 10 minutes for it. 4:40 you will come back to this meet. 1 minute for the presentation. So a problem is given to you. You need to figure out the solution and the style of the leadership. So Greenhorn 1, Greenhorn 2, Greenhorn 3. These 3 breakout rooms have this question. The character is Abhimanyu. Then the next, Schemer 1, Schemer 2, Schemer 3. These 3 breakout rooms have received the character Shakuni. This is the question for Shakuni. The next group, Raconteur, the character is Krishna. So Raconteur 1, 2 and 3 will have this question. Then for Myopic, the character is Rituraj. Myopic 1, Myopic 2, Myopic 3 will have this question. Shivangi ma'am, can you please mute for a second?
Yes, Radha ma'am.
Can you please mute?
Yes.
Going. So then the next group is Invincible, Invincible 1, Invincible 2, Invincible 3. I've received the character Bhishu, and this is the question for you. You need to identify style of leadership, characteristic and one disadvantage. And how do you think Amba proved to be his nemesis? And the last, instigator 1, 2 and 3. These breakout rooms have the character Duryodhan. And you need to tell if the Pandavas had agreed to law of primogeniture.
Teachers, you have already
Excuse
joined.
me, ma'am. Do we have to go back to the breakout room, or we are done with it?
When you are done with it, ma'am, be ready with it. We'll be calling you one by one. You have to choose one representative from your group to present the slides.
So, ma'am, we are done actually. So, should we go back?
Come in the main room, ma'am.
Yeah.
Then their slides and decided a leader that who is going to present that slide can come back to this meet and leave the breakout room.
Sorry, ma'am.
Please come to the main room.
सॉरी मैम, मेरे यहाँ पे नेटवर्क का बहुत इशू है. मैं कब से मेरा लेफ्ट हो रही हूँ, मैं वापस इन हो रही हूँ, तो मेरा ग्रुप के साथ कुछ अच्छे से डिस्कशन भी नहीं हो पाया है. और अभी मैं ग्रुप में जा रही हूँ ब्रेकआउट लिंक में, तो वहाँ पे कोई भी अवेलेबल नहीं है मैम.
कोई बात नहीं, ma'am. Turn your situation into opportunity. You will have a lot more to run. Don't worry.
Yes, ma'am.
Happens sometimes.
The teachers who are still preparing their slides, no need to worry. We are going to give you 3 minutes extra. So at 4:38, you all can join back the meet.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
if you could share the leaders' name slide again, because we are just want to segregate the leaders.
All right, ma'am.
Sheetal ma'am, you can go back. We actually were waiting for the question in the group. Roli ma'am did not visit us, but still we have done something.
Ma'am, actually we have not sent it to the breakout room, so that is why we have shared all the slides here only. If you want to cross-check it once, we can go for it. If you can tell the name of your breakout room.
It was schema.
Ma'am, Invincible.
Okay. So for schemer,
Thank you, Vardha ma'am.
Welcome, Abuli ma'am. For schemer, ma'am, this is the question.
Ma'am, please show it for Invincible also.
Yes, ma'am. Invincible, this is the question.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Schema 1 once again, can you please?
Sure, ma'am, sure, no problem. Yes, ma'am.
Teams which are ready, please join the main room. Others who are still doing, you have 2 more minutes. Please complete your task. We'll have interesting answers coming up in our way.
Those who have not received the invite for breakout room, don't worry, you're going to have a learning. So even though you could not participate, but still you are going to learn something.
Vardha ma'am, would you kindly present the very first slide in which
the
all
leaders
of
all right, ma'am. Yeah. Pankaj sir,
Yes, ma'am.
exactly at what time the breakout rooms were created? 4:30?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. So then at 4:40 you can close it.
Okay, ma'am.
Sir, left now. One minute left. Teams, hurry up. Okay, the time is
Most
up.
of
All the
our
teams are kindly requested
learners
to
are
join the main
disappointed
room.
because they cannot join the breakout room.
No problem, no problem. They are just going to be happy after the event ends because they will be witnessing interesting question answer session. Vardha ma'am, can we have the first team presenting, please?
Greenhorn 1.
Please present your slide.
Greenhorn 1.
Team Greenhorn 1, please present your slide.
Yes, Shivangi ma'am. Would you give me just a minute? I'm just preparing the slide. The net was a little slow. Or
All
shall I
right, no
just
problem, ma'am.
read out the answer?
Okay, Greenhorn 2, may proceed, please.
Yeah, just a minute. I was there in the room too. I'm Asta here. Give me a moment to present my screen.
Sure, ma'am. That would be interesting to see the answers actually.
Is it visible to all? I hope.
Shivangi ma'am, please mute yourself.
Okay. We got the character of Shakudi, and here we have come up with such points that he valued friendship more than the family. And he didn't have the mindset of his own. He was influenced by Shakuni or by the people around him, and he always used to give the wrong suggestion every time. He was easily manipulated. He was powerful, but always underestimated the power of the opponents. And he was a very strong from his head. Actually, he was a very good schemer, scheme maker. Always scheming against the what do you say? Always against scheming against the Pandavas actually, and he wanted his Bhanja, the nephew, to be the king of. And I'm actually I'm saying something else. He is easily manipulated. He was powerful, but always underestimated. It is actually we are not able to complete this. So अभी ये आधा ही लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. I'm so sorry for that.
Not a problem, ma'am. Can you identify the leadership style, please?
Leadership style. I will say that he was very scheming from his head. he used to come up with so many interesting schemes just to take favor of his nephew, and he could go to any extent to just realize them.
Ma'am, out of all the leadership style that you have seen, can you identify for one or character that you have got?
Asta, let me interrupt.
Yes, sir.
Shivangi, can you just name the leadership style so Asta can identify them?
Sir, we have other groups coming forward. Same for the same leader. So we need to go through all the 3 slides first, then we will reveal the name.
Then we will discuss it. Let them all identify, then we will reveal what is the real leadership style.
Sure.
Next group, please.
Thank you, Asta ma'am. Ratna ma'am, now you can present.
Third group is a schema 3, so should I present?
No ma'am, we are still going with Greenhorn. So Greenhorn 2 has presented, now Greenhorn 1.
Yes, ma'am, I'm presenting the scheme.
So for Greenhorn 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sri sir, can you please mute yourself? Thank you, sir.
So actually, I have to, ma'am, I have to speak.
Oh, okay.
Jai Hind, everyone. This is Shay Chaudhary from DPS Varanasi. Before starting, I would just like to say, महाभारत जैसे महाकाव्य को कुछ शब्दों, कुछ पंक्तियों या कुछ पृष्ठों में बांध पाना असंभव है. Now we have Abhimanyu for this. Abhimanyu was a situational leader. He was quite confident and he has a firm belief on his skills. He knew the half knowledge of entering the Chakravyuh. Still he took the risk because he knew very well that he is at the point of no return because he doesn't know how to come out. Still he took the risk because he knows that if he sacrificed himself, then lakhs of soldiers are going to live their lives for one more day. It may be a one more day that the lakhs of soldiers are going to live their life. So if I was in the place of Yudhishthir, I would have definitely chosen Abhimanyu in spite of the pain that my मेरे पुत्र समान जो बच्चा है वो जा रहा है लड़ने और शायद वो वापस ना भी आ पाए. ये सोचते हुए भी मैं अभिमन्यु को इस रिस्क के लिए तैयार करता और मैं ये रिस्क लेता. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Shrey sir. Thank you, Kashi sir. Greenhorn 3 is ready. Who is going to come forward from the group Greenhorn 3?
Ekta ma'am, it is Greenhorn, not Schemer, not now.
Greenhorn 3, any member from the group?
Yes.
Vinita ma'am, are you going to present the slide? Ma'am, you are not audible. Can you please type in the chat box?
Let's go to the next.
Please stop your presentation. Stop your presentation.
We have about 13 minutes, so let's go further and let's.
Okay, for Greenhorn 1, yes, Shivangi ma'am, can you give your reflection whether they have identified the correct leadership style or not?
Yes, they have identified the correct leadership style. It was a situational leader. And all the situational leaders, they take the responsibility onto their shoulder. And then there is a time of crisis. You have to manage that crisis without thinking that what is going to be, whether you are going to put yourself at risk or not. And the answer which is given by team 2 is quite suitable for this situation because situational leaders are not given the task. They take the responsibility onto them. And Abhimanyu in Mahabharata knew that he is not going to come back. And even if he was stopped by Yudhishthir. Yudhishthir was not capable enough to stop him because the brother-in-law of Duryodhan was powerful that day to stop all the Pandavas. So this was going to happen, and this was next group, please.
Shivangi ma'am, it was actually Greenhorn 1 who identified the correct leadership style.
So they have identified the correct. It is a situational leadership.
Yes, the schemer are the next. So schemer 1. We have the schemer 1 here.
Ekta ma'am, please present the screen. So,
Yes, ma'am.
as leaders according to Maxwell, our influencer, we can see that Shakuni was a great influencer, of course, because he could influence Duryodhan. Shakuni, actually, his enmity was with Bhishma because of his own sister, Gandhari. So he had to plan out everything, and strategically he could do it. So he was strategic even. I would like to say that he had planned everything and got it executed very well. And we can see here the characteristics that he was wrathful, insidious, great influencer, a great planner, a great executioner. Thank you. Paucity of time, I'm so just taking a very less time. I hope it's clear.
No, ma'am, it's really good work.
It's really well.
Thank you so much.
You very well explained the second.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, schemer 2.
Yes, ma'am. Just a second, I'll present my screen. So, ma'am, according to us, we think that Shakuni was not a leader because he was very, he was a bad human being. He failed just not as a brother, but as an uncle and most of all as a king. Shakuni was the strategist of Kaurava army, and on the 18th day, Duryodhan convinced Shakuni to be the commander-in-chief of his army, but he preferred Shalya. Shakuni participated in the Kurukshetra war and defeated many warriors. He was a failure as a brother, uncle king, and most of all, a bad human being. Shakuni was did not only destroy the Kuru kingdom, but many others as well. His intentions were at fault, and he craved for destructions. A person who desires revenge and desires harm to others is called a pure evil. So according to us, he was not a leader. So yes, ma'am,
That's beautifully explained, ma'am. Next group, please.
Vardha ma'am, because of less time, sir is saying that we should invite only one group from each, one member of each group, not all the three, but only one.
Sure, sure. Right now, schema 1 is available. Okay. So next, Raconteur 1.
Is anybody from Raconteur 1? Okay, move to Raconteur 2. Raconteur 2.
Raconteur 1, 2, 3. Anyone?
Sheetal ma'am.
This is Raconteur 1 or 2?
Present. 3.
Yes. Okay, 3.
Ravi
Three
sir,
is
आप
ready.
Yes, Sheetal ma'am, I'm ready. Please present the screen.
present कर रही हूँ sir.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So good evening, everyone. Our question was that if Krishna would have been on the side of Kauravas, what would have been the result of the war? So we had identified Krishna as a strategic leader, and if Krishna would have been on the side of Kauravas, the war would have been in the favor of Kauravas, because in the war you require strategy as well as strength. So Kauravas had the strength, but they did not have the strategy. Strategy is a part of the planning process, and with the strategy, if Krishna would have been in the side of the Kauravas, we are pretty sure that the war would have been won by the Kauravas and not the Pandavas. Thank you.
Sir, the leadership style.
Leadership style is strategic. He was a strategic leader. He was expert in making strategy.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, Racontier. Anyone else? Racontier 2 or Racontier 3?
This is Archana from Raconteur 2, and we identified Krishna as a visionary leader, and visionary leaders are always having a particular vision of a future. So according to us, if Krishna would have been towards Kauravas would not have won, because Krishna had a vision of good future of this human being, so he would not have made him one, because we believe that quality matters than the quantity.
Thank you, Archana ma'am. Interesting answer. So both the group, Racontier 2 and 3, have identified the correct style of leadership. Yes, Krishna was a visionary, not strategic. Why are we doing that? We'll discuss that in the reflection. And for Shakuni, yes, the both schemers group have identified it as correct. Shakuni was a strategic sort of a leader. And those who do not believe that he was not a leader, I do agree with your part of explanation as well. All right. So we are moving to the next one, myopic. Myopic 1.
Yes,
Myopic 2.
Myopic. Yeah, I'm presenting it. Just a moment. So I don't remember the question because we got the question quite late, 3 minutes just before it was supposed to end. So Dhritarashtra, that question was there, what kind of leadership style? So laissez-faire, this is what I feel, and our group feels this is the leadership style, because it talks about giving freedom to all the followers, and basically it's a French word, so it says allowed to do. So this style is associated with lower productivity, and the followers are experts in this case. So what they do is the decision becomes very difficult, and that's why I think we had this Mahabharata. If Dhritarashtra would have done something, if he would have played some role in it as a leader, definitely these things would have never happened. And we were trying to find out the examples of similar kind of leadership style, but I don't think we could do that together. Thank you so much.
Well, I can give you there. Queen Elizabeth, Queen Victoria and Mellon are the example of such leaders. Please
for Mughal ma'am especially, Steve Jobs is also one of such leader.
Yeah, but it was not justified for me. I just searched the net, it was there. Herbert Hoover was also there, but I didn't find any justification, because Steve Jobs, I have really seen many videos of him, and he gives all freedom to his followers, means the team members, and he also becomes one of the followers. So I really appreciate him for not being a leader, but being a follower in that group. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Next group, please.
Myopic 2 or Myopic 3? Moving forward, Invincible 1, 2 or 3. Anyone who is here?
मैम इनविंसिबल 3 स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट करने में मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा मैम, क्योंकि
मैम कैन यू जस्ट गिव अस द आंसर? दैट्स आल्सो
फाइन। मैं आंसर बता देती हूँ मैम। पितामह के बारे में उनकी जो शैली थी, मैं ये कहूंगी कि योजनाओं को लागू करके लोगों को प्रोत्साहित करने की वो शैली उनके अंदर थी, लेकिन उनका जो गलत निर्णय था, एक गलत निर्णय उन्होंने ले लिया था कि वो आजीवन सेवा करेंगे, राजगद्दी पर जो भी बैठेगा उसकी वो सेवा करेंगे, तो ये एक गलत निर्णय था। दूसरी चीज, उन्होंने दुर्योधन को ये कहा था कि जो विजय है, मतलब अविश्वास था उनको कौरवों के प्रति, कौरवों का वो साथ दे रहे थे पर विश्वास नहीं करते थे, तो उन्होंने उनको ये कहा था कि भाई मुझे तुम जो विजय है युद्ध में जो जीतेगा वो पांडव ही होंगे। तो ये एक उनका जो नहीं करना चाहिए, नेता है जो प्रोत्साहित करनी चाहिए। तो पहले प्रोत्साहन उन्होंने तो दिया है, योजनाओं को अच्छे से लागू, पर विश्वास और शिखंडी उनकी मृत्यु का कारण बनी जो पूर्व जन्म में थी। तो ये सब चीजें मुझे समझ में आई और मैंने आपके साथ साझा किया। थैंक यू।
मैम आप उनकी शैली बता सकती हैं, उनके नेतृत्व की शैली बताइए।
उनके नेतृत्व की शैली है मैम, ये योजनाबद्ध शैली हम कह सकते हैं मैम।
अच्छा, आप उनको स्ट्रैटेजिक मानती है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट ग्रुप प्लीज। थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
The Invincible, anyone? Invincible 2 or 3? Okay, we'll take the next, Instigator. Instigator 1, 2, 3. Duryodhan, one of the most interesting character in Mahabharata. Anyone for Instigator 1, 2 or 3? Any of the group member?
Yes, ma'am. Instigator 1.
Yes, Ajay sir.
According to our team, we reached the conclusion that Duryodhan was probably an he possessed all those qualities, and he was arrogant, and his greed actually was the main reason for the downfall of the Kaurava kingdom. Autocratic leader.
Thank you, Ajay sir. You have identified it correct. Yes, he was an autocratic leader. Please give the answer also, that if he would have been accepted as the heir of the throne, then would he have become an influential leader?
Not at all, ma'am. Not at all.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, this is from the group Investigator 2, and I would like to add what Ajay sir said, that of course Duryodhan would not be an influencer leader because he always have followed the others' opinion. He didn't have his own opinion for anything. He always sought for others' opinion, whether it should be his mama Shakuni or his friend Karna. So he did not use his mind to do anything as a decision, or so he was not even a good decision maker for anything what he done for what he did in the Mahabharata or in his life. So yes, I agree with Ajay sir that he was an autocratic leader. Thank you
so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So teachers, you have seen, as compared to the usual classroom, the way we go for it, we come, we sit, we listen, and when we go back to our activities, as compared to that, you might have seen your level of participation, interest, and curiosity. You would have experienced it on your own, that how a teacher-led classroom was so much effective as compared to the usual what we used to conduct. So same goes with the student-led classroom also. And in order to enhance the learning experience, I'd like to invite the principal, sir, to share his views.
Okay. Am I audible? Because I am in a very bad network area.
So right now you're completely audible.
Great. All right. I think since we're running short of time, I'm not going to dwell too much. You girls have already spoken that we've tried to integrate a lot of things that we have been recently doing, which is critical thinking, problem solving, student-led learning, reducing teacher talk time. The 5E model, you could have seen, those of you who are practicing the 5E model, you would have seen how there was exploration, explanation, assessment. A lot of it was, so I'm not going to go into it as analysis of that. We also had a feature where we tried to do a little bit of the art integration, but it was only kind of a lip service to art integration. I mean, it needs to be done a little more. Now, what I personally, from this particular learning, I will see is that what we could have done and what we did not do yet was, one, we did not give you a previous knowledge test based on, because we as teachers or the team assumed that you people know it, and which is, I think, a wrong assumption, because a lot of things that went on during the classroom reflections could have been avoided had we done that kind of a pre-knowledge test. Secondly, I think we perhaps did not learn how to manage our time. And thirdly, the experience in breakout rooms, I think we need a little more so that, we will not face difficulty when we go back to our actual classes to implement this. The idea why we chose this Mahabharata was perhaps because, it's got so much in it. I mean, one can go on and on. There's a lot of things, the reflections that came in, were based on our perceptions of the characters also. So then Mukul's answer, got to, as a teacher, I understood that it's so easy for children to answer questions today. They can just go to the net and find out and they will get it. So there are a lot of learnings for me as a head, and it was amazing. And if there's anything else you wish to ask, maybe I can particularly answer. Anybody?
Hello, sir. Good evening to everyone. Thank you so much, sir, for just making me feel like a student, because they always explore the net. And secondly, I didn't get to know whether that Dhritarashtra was of what the leadership style was, whether I was correct or not. So this I didn't get
right
out of this class. Yeah, sir.
Yeah,
So I
Mukul,
had
you
no
were
idea.
right.
Yes, thank you so
Mukul,
much.
you were right. Laissez-faire
Thank you so much.
leadership. Yeah.
Okay.
And I think somebody who gave me Elizabeth and all that, if you look closer home, you'll find Dr. Manmohan Singh.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Now you make it more informative. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Any questions, please? Okay, Siddharthji, since there are no questions, I think we could invite the other two speakers for the
Somebody
day.
has raised hand from Nashik.
Aarti ma'am has raised hand for questions.
Yeah, please unmute and ask the question. Whoever has raised the hand, unmute and ask the question, please.
Aarti ma'am, please ask your question.
Maybe by mistake, no?
Yeah. Okay. The other thing, that perhaps I would have as a reflection is, I think one of them mentioned it, when the topic is interesting and when they are leading their learning, you see the kind of involvement that we had today. So if we can take this and transfer it into our classes, that would be a brilliant thing to do.
So we are not able to hear you. All right. So thank you, Varda, Shivangi, Roli ma'am, for a. Can I not hear sir, or can nobody hear him?
No, sir. He was audible to us.
Yeah, I was just trying to say, Siddharth.
Oh, sorry.
No, I was just trying to say, Siddharthji, since there are no other questions, I guess we can invite the other two speakers, Neetu Singh and Roli Mankan. Am I audible?
Yes,
Right.
so you're audible.
Since there are no questions, I guess we can move ahead.
Yeah, let's just invite Roli ma'am, and I think Neetu Singh's, since we've already run over time, I think we'll do that next time.
Okay, sir.
Ma'am, if you're there, you can come and share about your action research project.
Yeah. Thank you, Siddhartha. Good evening, all. Now, I'm just going to talk about the need and the relevance of the action research that we are going to take up in our school. And it was a Saturday in March 2020 when the district administration issued an order for closure of schools till further notice. And none of us had experienced the virtual schooling till then. But the brain's bond in us got us going, and we learned a new tongue, as James Bond said in one of his famous films. Teachers, as a tribe, are resilient, flexible, and ready to learn. The past 15 months have already led us to learn, unlearn, and relearn. And we have not only opened our homes to the children, but also our minds too, to implement the best practices in education from around the world. And now, in this new normal, this will definitely call for fact-based practices, and the time is ripe for us to get into research and validate our practices and confirm their effects in the cultural context. As teachers, we have the opportunity to, through action research, examine the learning strategies and the educators' effectiveness in the classroom. In order to convert our school into a learning gym, action research is suggested. We know we all know this, that the Japan is where it is today, is in spite of the devastation during the war due to its policy of Kaizen, which means continuous development. And we at DPS not only Varanasi, all the three locations, plan to embark on this path and examine our actions critically through the scientifically designed action research process. When our research validates the effectiveness of our practices, we not only become confident but continue to implement them with a renewed vigor. And therefore, a preliminary meeting with the experts has been held, and we look forward to teachers from the three locations to undertake this short course in order to not only take action research on classroom management, but also to share the knowledge and handhold those who wish to take this up in future. Over to you, Siddharth sir. Thank you.
Yeah, so we're going to initiate this project with Rishihood University about action research, and through the PD cell, you will get an email probably today or tomorrow about enrollment for this project of action research. We will only be taking up about 10 people in the first group, and in this, I think what Roli ma'am has already shared is we are going to examine our own practices. So all our practices that we have done over the past 1 year, and how, whether they have benefited or not, and we are going to collect a lot of data and study that data and understand whether it's been useful or not. So I really, Mukesh sir, can you please mute your mic? Yeah. Please fill in your applications and look to fill in your applications as soon as possible. We will only keep this form open till Tuesday. And I would love कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग अगर भरें, we would like to have people from different parts of the school. So maybe one or two people from the primary wing, one or two people from the middle school. So we would love to have these people from different parts of the school. About today's workshop, I want all of you to really go back and deliberate on two things, right? I want all of you, since in the new world of the pandemic and post-pandemic, we've really looked at teachers as leaders of learning. All of us are leaders in our classroom, right? We are leading a group of 35-40 students, and if we are not learning, our students are not learning. That's what we've realized in the pandemic. The teachers who have worked upon themselves, the teachers who've pursued their professional development, have actually been effective in the classroom. And the ones who felt that अच्छा ये pandemic तो 2 महीने का है, अब ये बंद हो जाएगा and we'll go back to जो पहले था, हम देख रहे हैं कि 1.5 साल से already ये है और आगे कितने साल ये चलेगा, nobody knows about it. So actually the people who have reinvented themselves as learners have grown, and I believe every teacher now is a leader of learning, right? In their classroom, they're leaders of learning, and if they have taken up that role, and if they are on the stage as leaders of learning, it is really important that all of us reflect which is my learning style from the ones that were shared, and which is my leadership style from the ones that were shared today, and which is the leadership style I want to be in, right? And draw that path between those two. How do I move there? Which is my current leadership style, and which is the leadership style I want to be in within my classroom with my students? What is it that, so please, I'm not asking you to give more time, maybe anywhere between 3 to 4 minutes, but give concentrated 3 to 4 minutes of time to this thought today, and you can absolutely share this thought on my email ID. I would love to hear what do you think, and it will be really nice to hear from all of you. What do you think about your leadership style, and where do you want to be?
So may I?
Thank you everybody for joining. Yes.
So before we conclude, may I just hello?
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, just two things. One is action research. I would just want to demystify this entire term. Teachers don't get frightened by these two words. It is very simple. Action research is research on our actions for future actions. It's as simple as that. And it's very easy. I guess you all must get into it. It's a brilliant way to do, what we are planning to do for the future. Secondly, when you reflect on your leadership style, and when you want to go there, one thing that you need to understand that every leadership style has its advantages and disadvantages, and there are times when certain leadership styles are required. So don't get down because we did Mahabharata and say, okay, an autocratic leader is actually wrong because Duryodhana was identified. We have a lot of autocratic leaders who are very benevolent and they have done a lot of good compared to the bureaucratic leader that Bhishma was. Now, if you look at system-driven leadership is what bureaucratic leadership is. But if you stick on to that, even when there are ethical situations, then you see how there are. So every leadership style has a different sort of, and the only perhaps leadership style that is instant is situational. I will conclude with a very quick story. This happened in the Indian Army about 100 years ago when some leader was actually taking the army across the desert. Now this leader, this general had a lot of experience of winning wars, of strategic work, everything. But when there was a whirlwind in the desert and they had lost their way, they didn't know where to go. So ultimately the local people, the nomad who was passing by, he was called upon and said, can you lead us out of this situation? And for some time this nomad was leading them to the right place. But ultimately when they were moving, the general saw a kind of a water body very close by, and he felt that, okay, now he said, chalo tum jao ab, hum lead karenge. When the nomad said, I'm sorry, that is a mirage, it is not water. So the nomad at that point of time became a situational leader, exactly like Abhimanyu did. So there are situation leaders also who are like maybe Rajiv Gandhi. Greatness was thrust upon him. And he did well in terms of his leadership. Whereas if you look at Rahul Gandhi, who is, now again a situational leader or a positional leader like Duryodhan, apart from autocratic, he could also be a positional leader, meaning because of my position, I need to be a leader. So there are different styles. Read up on them before you kind of analyze what is your leadership style and where do you want to go to. Thank you very much. It was a very interesting session and a lot of learning for me as a leader perhaps today. Thank you very much.
Thank you everybody. Pankaj-ji, you can end the call.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir.
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 Thank you, sir.